Well, Harry, captaining your country for the first time this evening, sealed with a hat-trick and 7 goals. Just sum up your emotions after that.
Yeah, really proud night. Captaining my country for the first time, something I've dreamt of since I was a little boy. So yeah, to lead the boys out tonight, amazing. And yeah, that performance was a joy to be a part of. Really, I thought we started really well, got the 2 goals. And then we conceded one that we're not happy with because our standards are high, but that can happen. But I thought the way we reacted to conceding was amazing. Brennan scores a fantastic goal, and that second half performance, I think, was probably our best. The way we controlled the game, dominated possession, took our chances. Thought it was a whole top performance.
And 2 penalties and a free kick for yourself. I don't think you've scored a free kick for a while, so just talk us through those.
Yeah, I was saying to the boys, actually, it has been a while since I scored a free kick. So yeah, it was nice to score another one of them. And yeah, the penalty, the first one was a bit too close for comfort actually, but then the second one he went a bit early, so I was able to roll it in the other corner. But I said, to score a hat-trick for my country, another proud moment.
And what did it mean as well to lead the team? I know you said before the game it would be a massive honour, but just to lead him in such a dominant performance.
Yeah, but it was easy really. Like I said, the way the boys played, I didn't have to do a lot. Like I said, make sure I played well. Like I said, in any moments, make sure I'm trying to get the team through it. But I said, I think the way everyone played tonight, not just the boys that got the goal, the whole team. We had to defend in moments. They had a few set plays and stuff like that, but yeah, I think whole round it was a dominant performance.
And to score 7 goals as well, first time I think since 1978, which is quite a long time ago. It was such an emphatic result going into the playoffs. Yeah,
I think after Saturday there was a little bit of disappointment in the team to have not scored more. I thought we created a lot of good chances out there. So we wanted to show people that we can be clinical as well as dominate possession and move teams around. I think the chances we've created over the course of this group, I think a night like tonight was coming, and yeah, thankfully that came tonight, and delighted for the boys to get the goals.
And just finally a word on the fans as well. They more than played their part this evening, didn't they?
Yeah, again, amazing. I think the way they reacted after we conceded the goal really pushed us on to go again, because they can be difficult moments in games. But yeah, they were singing straight away afterwards, and so that win tonight to get the home semi-final in March is going to be huge, because again they proved what amazing support we got.
Well done again, Harry.
Thank you guys, cheers.